Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to see that how to recover deleted photos in your mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the Play Store of your phone, and after that you have to type recover deleted photos. Once you type this, as you can see on the number 1 or on the number 2, we have both apps. So I'm going to click on this one and I am going to install it. Once it gets installed, you can see the open button on your screen and you have to click on it. So now I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you that how it works. Okay guys, so here I am on the screen. So the app is now set up in my phone, and whenever I delete a photo and when I will click on it, so I will find the video which I deleted. But I haven't deleted any videos or any photos right now. So when you will delete any photo or any video, so you will find it here. And if you've deleted a video, so you'll find it here, or audio, you'll find it here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much guys.